From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Thursday evening, Center County student meteorologist Christopher Tate here. Glad to be joining you on a day that featured basically a reset in terms of Center County weather. Here's how things unfolded on our Beavers Stadium time-lapse today. Started the day off with abundant showers across central Pennsylvania as a cold front has been traversing the state. But then as we got into the latter half of the morning and the first few minutes of the afternoon hours, we even had a little bit of blue sky show up as the air mass is finally beginning to turn over. However brief it was at least nice to see a little bit of sun during the day today. Temperature right now at Beaver Stadium, 63 degrees, and it is a whole lot drier as well, with a dew point of just 48 degrees, a pretty stark contrast from what we saw in the last couple of days. Around the rest of central Pennsylvania, temperatures generally hanging in the mid and upper 50s in the west of us, that is, and some 70s showing up even down in the capital region where they've had a little bit more in terms of sun. Philadelphia was at 75 earlier today, but now that the cold front has swept through, they're stuck in the upper 60s. That's 12 degrees cooler for them than 24 hours ago. Compare that to Pittsburgh, 27 degrees colder than this time yesterday. We're 7 degrees cooler than this time yesterday here in State College. That's the power of a cold front. Also, bringing in a whole lot drier air as well. Notice a stark contrasting dew points from west to east. Areas in the east haven't quite got the dry air to work in yet, but that'll eventually work its way east of the I-81 corridor as we head through the rest of the day today. Radar and satellite shows the front and its associated showers just exiting the Scranton area. Allentown and Philly still dealing with some light showers. Now, I do want to point out some precipitation being picked up by radar in the west. I don't think this is reaching the ground because it is so dry. And so when you have rain falling that doesn't reach the ground, that's something we call virga. And that's going to be something you want to keep in mind as we step through the rest of this forecast. The rest of the low pressure system centered out over the lower Great Lakes and southeastern Michigan is slowly going to continue pivoting off to the northeast and will eventually be of no factor to us. As we head into the overnight hours tonight, mostly clear to completely clear night on tap here in Center County. We'll be falling back into the 40s, which is much cooler than we've been the last week or so. So it'll be a pretty decent change of pace. Then during the day on Friday, warming up only into the 60s under a mostly sunny sky. Could see a few patchy clouds here or there. And then another quiet night is in store as we begin the weekend. Some clouds passing through the area on Saturday. And I think the computer model here is correct that there will be some precipitation in western and central Pennsylvania. However, it's still going to be dry at the surface, so I think we'll be seeing a little more of that virga, and so accumulations, if any, should be very limited during the day on Saturday. Other than that, it should be a very quiet weekend, and we'll start it off with a cool night tonight. 46 degrees, clear, calm, and cool will be the name of the game, with only a light southeasterly breeze here in State College. Then during the day tomorrow, abundant sunshine, plenty sunny for your Friday, 64 degrees for the high. Could be a little bit gusty though, so hold on to your hats if you're going to be out and about during the day on Friday. We'll warm up just a hair for Saturday as that very weak disturbance approaches. And then once we begin next work week, we'll gradually be warming up back to the low 70s. Now our average high this time of year is drops from about 69 down to 67 degrees here in Center County. So we'll be just a little bit above average as we head into the first half of next work week. And do keep an eye out for Tuesday because we may see an isolated shower or two. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Christopher Tate. Have a great evening.